In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom text and notes to your chart in Tradingview. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. This works on the free plan, so you don't need anything special to follow along. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the interface with charts in the center and panels around the edges. We're going to get a symbol on screen and then add text-based annotations so your ideas and reminders stay right where you need them. Look over to the right side of the screen where the watch list typically lives. Pick the symbol you want to analyze by clicking it. That will load the instrument on a small chart if you're coming from the main page. To get the full workspace with all drawing features, click Full Chart. This opens TradingView's Advanced Charting View, which is where the annotation tools live. Now that you're in the full chart, focus on the toolbar along the left. This is where the annotation tools are located. Hover to reveal the different drawing options, and you'll find tools dedicated to text. These are ideal for marking levels, calling out patterns, or leaving yourself reminders for future sessions. Choose either text or notes. Text is great for labels that you want to anchor to a specific price and time on the chart, like marking a breakout level or a key support. Notes work more like a sticky note you can place visually without tying it tightly to a candle, useful for general thoughts or a checklist. Click your preferred option, then click on the chart where you want it to appear. Type your content directly into the box that pops up. Keep it clear and actionable. Think quick headlines, key reasons for a trade idea, or risk rules you want to see at a glance. You can move the text or note later, so don't worry if placement isn't perfect at first. From here, you can customize the look and behavior. Open the settings for the text or note to adjust font, size, and color. Add a background box, tweak border and opacity, and set alignment so it reads smoothly. You can drag to reposition and resize the box for longer notes. If you want the label tied precisely to a candle or level, make sure it's anchored to that spot. For general commentary, leave it placed freely. For a consistent style across your chart, reuse the same settings so your annotations are easy to scan. That's all there is to it. By using text and notes thoughtfully, you'll turn your chart into a clear, personalized workspace that supports faster decisions and better record keeping.